Welcome to Tech Tether. How to change route IP address. The default gateway IP address is pre-assigned by your ISP, but you can change it to enhance security. Modifying it can prevent unauthorized access, DDoS attacks, and add an extra layer of protection. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Log into your default admin panel at 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Admin/admin is username and password. Step 2. Go to Advanced Settings, a network LAN. Step 3. Under IP address field, you may change it to your desired address, such as 192.168.1.2. Step 4. Save it and the router will reboot to apply the changes. Step 1. Log into Netgear router settings page via 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, or you can access via http://www.routerlogin.net or http://www.routerlogin.com. Step 2. By default, the username is admin and password is password. Step 3. Once logged in, navigate to Advanced. From left side menu, go to Setup, LAN Setup. Step 4. Under LAN TCP IP Setup, you will see IP address. Change 10.10.10.1 as preferred. Step 5. Apply changes and the system will reboot to update settings. Step 1. Log into your router configuration page, username, admin and password, admin/blank. Step 2. Go to Setup, a network settings. Step 3. Now you will find router IP address field. Step 4. Change it as preferred and save settings.